Oh. This is a big one. So no more weight. Let's check out the Nexxbike X5 Plus. Whoa, it's massive. I don't think I can pull it up. There is no way I'm going to do that. This is the accessory box. Let's put it aside for now. I think this is the rear fender. It looks really cool. That's really a bad idea. There's no way I will remove this bike like that. I need to cut the box. Whoa, I'm impressed. Look at this. It looks completely different from everything I've seen before. I have never assembled this bike before, but I'm pretty sure we'll find out it at no time. So let's get started. Yeah, it's quite heavy. Okay, I will try to take the display out of the way. That was quite scary, to be honest. Anyway, it's always a good practice to keep the box. If you ever need to send the bicycle back, you always have the box. But as I am doing all the assemble and unboxing myself alone, I could not pull it up, so I decided to open the box wide and remove the bike out. I'm trying to be as careful as I can to not hurt myself and not destroy the bike. I will start by installing the front wheel. Start by removing the axle nut, then pull out the axle and take off the caliper pad blocker. Wow, look at this rotor. This is massive. Carefully position the wheel into the fork, then reinsert the axle and secure the nut. Lock the quick release, tighten all 4 screws at the base of the fork using the hex key, and ensure the wheel spins freely. If you hear any noise, the brake may need adjustment. Loosen the 2 screws as shown and adjust the caliper to find the ideal position. Once the noise is gone, gradually tighten the screws back in place. Okay, done. Impossible. Insert the handlebar arms into the mount and lightly tighten the 2 screws, allowing for adjustments to find the most comfortable position. Repeat this process on the left side. To install the lights, start by loosening the mounting brackets using a 4mm hex key. Insert the turn signal into the bracket and secure it by tightening the internal nut with a 14mm wrench. Repeat on the other side. By the way, I found a toolkit inside the headlight box, thanks Nexxbike. Next, remove the 2 screws with a screwdriver. Position the headlight in place, then reinsert the screws, ensuring the rubber washer stays between the brackets and the headlight body. Connect the cable, aligning the marked arrows as shown. I prefer placing the headlight higher on the fork, so before tightening the brackets, I'll adjust it to my preferred position. Finally, use a 10mm wrench and a 4mm hex key to firmly tighten all the screws. Carefully insert the front fender over the wheel. Tighten the 2 screws with the hex key on both sides. Make sure the fender isn't touching the frame. To fix the rear fender, tighten the 2 screws into the rear fork. Insert the rear turning lights in place and tighten the nuts using a 14mm wrench. Pedal time. The one marked L goes on the left side. So screw it on by hand, counterclockwise, then tighten it up with the 16mm wrench. Repeat for the right side, but clockwise this time. Adjust the handlebar to your preferred position and securely tighten the 4 screws. Next, set the saddle position by removing the 4 screws, sliding the saddle forward or backward, and then reinserting and tightening the screws. I like stickers, do you? If so, place the provided stickers wherever you like. Now, inflate the tires and turn on the battery. The power button is in a slightly inconvenient spot, so you will need to unlock the battery compartment, remove the battery, turn it on, then place it back and lock it securely. Finally, use one of the provided NFC cards to activate the bike, then power it on. That's it, you're all set. Ride safe and have fun!